10 best fulfilling foods with low calories. Eating less doesn't mean feeling hungry all the time. Some foods are naturally low in calories but still leave you feeling full and satisfied. These foods are rich in fiber, water, or protein, nutrients that help control hunger without adding extra calories. If you're trying to manage your weight or simply eat healthier, here are 10 of the best fulfilling foods with low calories. 1. Chia seeds. Soaked chia seeds form a gel-like texture that fills the stomach and slows digestion. Just 1 tablespoon has about 60 calories but keeps you full for hours. 2. Steamed broccoli. A cup of steamed broccoli has only 55 calories. It's packed with fiber and water, which makes it bulky and satisfying. It also offers important nutrients like vitamin C and folate. 3. Non-fat Greek yogurt. Plain, non-fat Greek yogurt is high in protein but low in calories, about 100 per 6 ounces. It helps keep hunger at bay longer than sugary snacks. 4. Boiled eggs. Each boiled egg has around 70 calories and is rich in protein and healthy fats. They're simple, portable, and highly filling. 5. Zucchini noodles. Zoodles. Zucchini made into noodles is a great substitute for pasta. 1 cup has about 20 calories and is full of water and fiber. 6. Oats. Cooked. Half a cup of oats, dry, makes a filling breakfast. Once cooked, it expands and offers fiber to help you feel full with around 150 calories. 7. Low-fat cottage cheese. Half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese has about 90 calories and is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you full. 8. Cooked lentils. Lentils are high in fiber and plant-based protein. 1 cup cooked has around 230 calories and helps manage hunger and energy levels. 9. Air-popped popcorn. Popcorn is low in calories but high in volume. 3 cups of air-popped popcorn have about 90 calories and satisfy the need to snack. 10. Cabbage. Raw or steamed. Cabbage is very low in calories, around 22 per cup, but rich in fiber and water. It adds bulk to meals without adding many calories. Choosing the right foods can help you eat less without feeling deprived. These low-calorie, high-satiety options are perfect for anyone looking to feel full while keeping calories under control. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.